The motherboard is MC B250M Bazooka, and MSI motherboards allow you to manage its speed and temperature for all the fans in your systems. And CPU, this motherboard is micro-ATX type and a maximum RAM of 16.4 GB. The first component is NOR bridge that I'm going to explain is the NOR port that is responsible for communicate the processor with the RAM and also takes care of the PCI Express also. The next component is battery. The battery keeps the BIOS settings when the computer shuts down. The next component is short bridge and controls the BIOS, the output and input ports, and manage the electronic power of the computer. The final component is BIOS. Cannot see with this game into parts and is here. Its function is to start the operating system, date and time, and more functions. And PCI slots that are used to insert graphic, audio, and sound cards. And finally, the external connectors, two USB 2.0, three USB 3.0, and 3.0, one RJ45, and two PS2, and three connectors audio.